You did some research and some investigation. Then you found out a popular mobile automation test framework named Appium that can integrate with both iOS and Android. You also noticed a popular version control system named Git to easily manage your code and tracking your changes. Maven and Jenkins may be already used in your team, but how can they be integrated together? In the following courses, I will show you every details of each component, show you how to install, set up, configure, and use it in your daily work. After this course, you will be able to implement a mobile automation framework for both iOS and Android, and you will be able to share your ideas with your team members.